In this lesson, we will solve logarithmic equations step by step. We will use log properties, apply the property of equality of logarithms, and check for extraneous solutions. Let's begin with our first example. Example 1. Solve log of x plus log of x minus 5 equals log of 36. Use the product rule. Log of x times the quantity x minus 5 equals log of 36. Because the logs have the same base, we set the expressions equal. X times the quantity x minus 5 equals 36. Now expand. X squared minus 5x equals 36. Now subtract 36 from both sides of the equation. X squared minus 5x minus 36 equals 0. Now factor. We ask, what two numbers multiply to negative 36 and add to negative 5? The numbers are negative 9 and positive 4. So the expression factors as x minus 9 times x plus 4. Setting each factor equal to 0 gives x equals 9 or x equals negative 4. So the possible solutions are x equals 9 and x equals negative 4. Now check for extraneous solutions. Logarithms cannot contain negative numbers. If x equals negative 4, then x minus 5 would be negative. So that solution is extraneous. The correct answer is x equals 9. Example 2. Solve log of x plus 8 minus log of x minus 2 equals log of 3. Use the quotient rule. So the equation becomes log of the quantity x plus 8 divided by the quantity x minus 2 equals log of 3. Since the bases are the same, we set the expressions equal. The quantity x plus 8 divided by the quantity x minus 2 equals 3. Now multiply both sides by the quantity x minus 2. X plus 8 equals 3 times the quantity x minus 2. Distribute. X plus 8 equals 3x minus 6. Subtract x from both sides. 8 equals 2x minus 6. Add 6 to both sides. 14 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 7. Verification. When x equals 7, substitute it into the original expressions. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Both 15 and 5 are positive numbers, so the logarithms are defined. Since the expressions inside the logarithms are positive, the solution is valid. Therefore, x equals 7 is the solution. Example 3. Solve 2 times the logarithm of x equals the logarithm of 25. Use the power rule, so the equation becomes log of x squared equals log of 25. Now apply the property of equality of logarithms, x squared equals 25. Take the square root of both sides, x equals 5 or x equals negative 5. Now check the solutions. Logarithms cannot contain negative numbers. If x equals negative 5, the value inside the logarithm would be negative, so that solution is extraneous. The correct solution is x equals 5. Example 4. Solve natural log of x minus 1 plus natural log of x minus 3 equals natural log of 15. Use the product rule, so we combine the logarithms. Natural log of x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals natural log of 15. Because the logarithms have the same base, we set the expressions equal. X minus 1 times x minus 3 equals 15. Using FOIL, we get x squared minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals 15. Now combine like terms. X squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 15. Next, subtract 15 from both sides. X squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Now factor. Ask yourself, what two numbers multiply to negative 12 and add to negative 4? Those numbers are negative 6 and positive 2. So we can factor the expression as x minus 6 times x plus 2 equals 0. Next, set each factor equal to 0. X minus 6 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. Solving each equation gives the possible solutions, x equals 6 and x equals negative 2. Now check for extraneous solutions. If x equals negative 2, then x minus 1 and x minus 3 would both be negative values. Logarithms cannot contain negative numbers, so x equals negative 2 is an extraneous solution. The correct solution is x equals 6. Example 5. Solve the equation. Natural log of 2x minus 1 equals 4. Step 1. Rewrite the logarithmic equation in exponential form. Remember that natural log means log base e, so the equation becomes 2x minus 1 equals e to the fourth power. Step 2. Evaluate e to the fourth power. E to the fourth power is approximately 54.60. Now we have 2x minus 1 equals 54.60. Step 3. Add 1 to both sides of the equation. 2x equals 55.60. Step 4. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 27.80. Final answer, x is approximately 27.80. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel for more clear and simple math lessons.